Sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you a tour of the El Colonial Adults Only Hotel in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Right now we are in the lobby area. This is the bar and how the front desk look. When you first check in, this is pretty much what you'll see, and they'll keep your bags right there. This property is stairs only. I believe it's about 5 floors, but the bellmen do help you carry your stuff upstairs. I stayed in room 210, and I actually filmed this video the day that I was leaving because I totally forgot to film it when I checked in. I had so much going on while we was there. This is the before of the room, and right now this is how it's supposed to look, okay? Pretty much basic room with just basic things. This is the bathroom. I found the bathroom to be very disgusting, to be honest with you. The rooms itself is not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest thing. Look at the shower floor. Thank God I always carry my slides from Dollar Tree because I kept them on my foot the whole entire stay. I even took a shower with them. So if you look around, we do have a refrigerator in the room, and I guess there's supposed to be a little closet, that thing on the right. This is the window. Look at the window. Oh my God, it's so nasty. It's like a semi balcony window overlooking the streets. You can hear everything that's going on outside, but things like that don't bother me. I mean, I sleep through anything. So like I said, this is the last day. I'm checking out, and I decided to film this video for you guys. This is pretty much a seating area. I believe they have one on each floor, like if you just want to sit down, read, and chill. These are the stairs that I was talking about. Yes, you do have to go up and down these stairs every time you exit or coming in the hotel. And right now we are going up on the rooftop. I want to show you guys the rooftop the property do have if you want to come out and chill. It is so beautiful at nighttime. Wait until you see the night clip that I have. They have some standalone tubs if you want to, I guess it's supposed to mimic like a jacuzzi or whatever. I did not take advantage of it, but it does look nice. I don't know how it works. I don't really know if anybody really take advantage of this place because the both times that I came, I didn't find nobody up there. So it's pretty chill. Like if you just want to get away, it overlooks everything. You can see one of the forts, the historic fort straight ahead, and you also could see the cruises are at. So this is pretty much it. You just got an overview of other balconies, of other rooftops. Like I said, it's just like a chill spot if you want to get away. This is the night view of the property. I like it better at nighttime. I'm not gonna lie to you because the ambiance is just straight chill. It's just a vibe up there, but I didn't really take advantage of it. Now that I'm looking back, I wish I would have came up here and really did chill, sit down. Maybe not, I wouldn't get in the tub thing, but I would have just came and sat down. You could pretty much see inside the property. Property was nice. The only thing, like I said, I had an issue with was the cleanliness. The staff was amazing. The customer service they provided was 10 out of 10. There's a boy with curly hair. He's amazing. The manager with the glasses, he knows everything. So friendly. I didn't like the fact that they kept on stressing about the makeup. Like you can't get makeup on the sheets, on the towels. I hated that. They're going to charge you a $25 fee. But, I paid $213 per night. A reservation through Expedia, so they got to get their fees. But I'm sure if you go on the hotel website itself, the price might be a little bit cheaper. I will come back to this property if I'm ever in Puerto Rico again, which I'm sure I will be. I do give it a 7 out of 10, to be honest with you, only because of the cleanliness. If you need to know anything else about this property, reach out to me in the comment section or follow me on Instagram. It's Deals Finder, and I will definitely answer your questions there. Catch you guys in the next video. That'll be up this Friday around 5 to 5:30.